On today's episode, I hit a rock.
Oh.
A surprise visit from a trail dog.
That's leaving you. Go get him.
And then I hit some more rocks.
So many rocks.
Oh, good morning, everyone. So, day 2 in Moab. Just getting everything packed up so we can head over to Poison Spider Bicycles, pick up the mountain bikes for today. I just want to give you a quick view of what the view in my backyard is here. Check that out. Pretty cool, right? It's also pretty bright. The sun's just coming out. The bike shop doesn't open until 8, but every other day we're going to be out way before the sun comes up. But yeah, let's get the car packed up, head over, and let me show you the bikes. If you need to rent a bike in Moab, Poison Spider is just one of many options. We picked up a pair of Trek Fuel EX7s, which wasn't my first choice, but I also didn't want to spend a lot of money. As it turned out, these bikes really surprised me with how capable they were throughout the whole trip. Alright, so we got the bikes loaded up in the back of this RAV4. It's kind of a snug fit, but we got them in there. So now off to our first destination, Klondike Bluffs, and I'll see you there after this super smooth transition. Alright, and we're here. First ride on Dyno Flow. Oh yeah. Man, these trails are awesome. So much different than Florida. This rock is just so grippy though. You don't feel like you're gonna fall over at all, even as it gets steep. There we go. Getting some flow now. Sweet. So Poison Spider names all their rental bikes. So my bike's name is Walker, and since it's a Trek, I've named him Walker Trexus Ranger, which is a great name because I'm doing a lot of walking on this climb trail. Where's the downhills? All right, so we just got done with baby steps. So we walked probably 90% of it, but that's all right. We're on the mega steps, which is a black diamond. We just want to connect over to Alaska. How you doing, bud?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hey, pup. Watch out, your dad's leaving you. Go get him. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Klondike Bluffs turned out to be the perfect place to ride on our first day. Even the black diamond trails like mega steps were manageable, which was great since my brother James has never been on a mountain bike before. Things could have gone much worse.
Yep. Nice.
Good, get over that bump. Nice.
All right, just got done climbing up mega steps onto Alaska. Not sure what this one's like. Feels pretty chunky, like everything else here. Looks like there's some good flow though, which is much appreciated.
Good, yep, around the second one.
Oh,
Good, hang on, you got it.
oh no.
The thing that always surprises me the most about mountain biking is how few people you see on the trails. Even in Florida, where the trail networks don't have such a large footprint, you rarely find yourself around other people. Including the trail dog, we ran into less than 5 people the whole trip. Nothing like having an entire desert of rocks to yourself. I guess that makes mountain biking a great outdoor activity for introverts.
Oh, that came out of nowhere. Oh. Man, it is deathly quiet out here. No wind noise, no other people, no animals, nothing. It's kind of eerie. As long as the hill people are not here watching. Anyways.
These treks absolutely devoured anything the trail threw at us. The big 29er wheels rolled over stuff my 27.5s probably wouldn't.
Oh, there we go.
And anytime they stumbled,
Oh my goodness. So many rocks. Oh.
well, it was definitely user error.
That was cool.
Especially on the super chunky downhills, which Moab is full of. They were really stable. Is my next bike going to be a 29er? Maybe. If you've got any suggestions for your favorite mid-travel 29ers, or even a mullet bike, let me know down in the comments.
Sick. Oh yeah, now we're flowing. Woo! Oh, don't want to go down there. Little climb.
This sandstone rock may be my favorite riding surface so far. Why? It's really grippy for climbing, and you pick up a ton of speed on the downhills. The one downside? It's a lot less forgiving to fall on compared to dirt. Luckily, neither of us experienced that today.
More steep, rocky sections.
After a few hours of long climbs punctuated by short but fun descents, it's time for all that elevation gain to pay off.
Whoa.
Homer is a great rocky flow trail that drops about 250 feet in elevation in less than a mile and dumps you out right back at the parking lot, providing a perfect intermediate downhill run to end our first day of riding.
How did I stay on the bike for that? Oh, oh man. And that's it. Man, what a day at Klondike Bluffs. Way more climbing than I would have thought. But man, it was worth it for those downhills. Oh, I'm pumped and super tired. All right, time to get out of here. We'll wait for James to come down and then back to the car. All right, well, we're not sure what the bigger challenge was, the mountain biking today or polishing off a super burrito and something else. But I have the overwhelming urge to lie down right now, so I'm gonna hang out with my friends here. But we will be back tomorrow with day 3 with some new trails and whatever else we find around here. So thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.